Hi Florida Outdoor Adventures, hope you're well, keep adventuring.
Okay guys, as some of you know already, we are preparing for a very nice trip to Colorado, and two of our friends here got new tires, Mitas and some TKC 80s. But just to make it even more interesting, I come here to put gas and I have a freaking nail in my tire. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you real quick what gear you need to survive an attack nail. By the way, he has the new Mitas. What are they called? Mitas what?
Mitas or Mitas E07s.
E07. We're gonna check them out today. But first, let's fix this flat, okay?
Sure.
Okay, here's my reliable Dynaplug kit. I have the pump right there, the compressor, and the plugs right inside here. Okay, this mini compressor by Dynaplug comes with a 6-foot extension. It comes with little clips so you can put on the battery, or you can put it on the 12 volt. I like to use it directly to the battery. All right, here's the plug kit by Dynaplug. Very compact, and design is gorgeous. Everything you need is inside here. So you just put it on here like this. You see that? Then this is a plug inside there. And I have these handy BMW pliers. Maybe we'll get lucky, no arrow come out. Yeah. Maybe it's a little nail.
Yeah, you've got the stopper also.
Oh yeah, yeah. Go ahead. I'll do it.
Watch out, it's avion.
Oh my God.
Commercial.
Yes, bro. That's a Triumph water.
Water for Florida Outdoor Adventure.
Okay, it's not leaking, guys. Okay, the sole purpose of this ride is to test these tires out. The Mitas MT.
The Mitas E07.
E07. And we're also going to check out these brand new TKC 80s that Daniel got, and Iron Man. But Iron Man also got the Woody's rims to go with it, because he had alloy before. And I think they're beautiful. So is today the first time you took it off-road?
Today's the first day I rode it at all.
Oh wow, okay, so very important ride, even though it's practically an easy gravel road.
Remember, what seems to be different about them from what they claim is that the center strip is lower than the tread, so you get better traction on the off-road, and still you get a lot of good traction, of course, dual purpose. These are supposed to be 50-50. Not all your major retailers sell them. Rev Sealer sells them. I bought them from there. And also worth mentioning is that I got the Dakar version, which are supposed to have a tougher ply and a tougher construction for
sidewall.
Yeah, against rocks and things.
Cool.
So I'm really looking forward. Reviews on these are excellent. People that use them really love them. So that's the way it is.
All right, we'll see today, buddy. Mahel also got the TKC 80s on his GSA. And I think this is also his first time using these off-road. He has a TKC 80 in the front and the Heineken 69 in the back. Okay, we're at the obligatory picture spot for Instagram, guys. Follow me on Florida Outdoor ADV, at Florida Outdoor ADV on Instagram. Here's the team. Beep, 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 beep. Alright guys, I'm going to cross a railroad track right now. I did it before, so I know it's doable. But there's a train coming. So maybe I'm crazy, could it be? Let me put on my theme music. Okay, there's the train. I think I could beat it. Woo! Here we go, Team BMW representing the train. The train crossing is right behind you, bro. Hurry! Oh, yeah. Excuse me, sir. You can't do that here, bro. That water goes straight to a beaver dam or Okay, this message goes out to everybody that lives in Brickell, Key Biscayne area. This is your drinking water. This specific unit here sends this water to Brickell. Okay guys, this little trip is a little tricky. You gotta know which bridges to cross so you can get all the way across the Clueston. Go ahead, Massimo, dale. So Massimo's already done it a few times. He knows this is the one. Guys, one thing I want to mention, and by any means am I pushing this on you or anything, just some of you that are watching, or a lot of you that are watching, are into the adventure type motorcycle rides and bikes. So just in case you're in the market for a giant loop soft luggage product, I could provide that for you, and I will hook you up at the same time. Email me privately for that. The product has to be for you though. It can't be for a store or anything like that. So if it's something that you want from Giant Loop, send me an email right here to floridooutdooradv@gmail.com, and I'll give you the pricing, okay? the same time, you help me out and I help you out for being a subscriber and watching all my videos. I appreciate that, guys. Real quick, real quick. What do you think of the TKC 80s before you have beer and you can't explain it?
I love it.
All right, good. Here we are at the Tiki Bar.
After having ridden these tires for some good 40, 50 miles, mild off-road, I'd have to say that they felt pretty good. I did not take the air off, and I'm not much of an expert, but they felt pretty good, and so far so good. Mitas E07s, so far so good. Over and out.
Continental TKC 80s. First time I rode them was in North Carolina at the BMW training course, and I don't think I'm gonna change them. I like them a lot.
That's beautiful. Wow.